channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you from Eullair hair. I am wearing their 24-inch Brazilian straight wig, and this wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline, and it is just straight natural black, brownish, whatever you want to call it, natural color hair. If you have been following me for a little bit now, you know that I am trying to switch up my looks, and I'm going back to wearing wigs like I was doing last year so that I can kind of do more protective styling and really low manipulation styles with my hair, because it has been going through some stuff, my natural hair. There's a reason why I chose this specific wig. So pretty much I needed a go-to wig, and so I chose this wig, and I'm very, very happy with it. To start off, this is a lace front wig. It is not a full lace wig, so you do have parting space right here in the front, and then it tapers off by the ear. In order to get a deeper part, you would have to just stick with like a middle part, because as you go down on the sides, it's gonna get, you know, shorter and shorter your parting space. As far as the styling with this hair, I did not cut the hair or anything like that. I left it just as is, and I do not plan on cutting this hair at all, not even to put layers in it. I really want that bone straight look, and that's really what I was achieving with this particular wig. Now the hair is very, very soft. Like I said, it is a silky texture. It's not yucky or anything like that. To me, that's fine. That's exactly what I was going for. I needed something, like I said, that I could just put on and go and not have to do any fuss with. So it is a silky straight texture, and it's very soft, and it is silky and straight. It's not the absolute best hairline that I've come into contact with as far as it being pre-plucked and providing baby hair, but it's all right. I mean, in my opinion, when I was doing my hair, I was kind of thinking in the back of my head, I'm definitely gonna have to go and like, this will probably be my first wig that I actually really kind of pluck some more hairs out and all that kind of stuff, and try and just customize it the way that I would like it to be. So as far as any tangles, no tangles at all with this hair. It's silky straight hair, so you should not get any tangling or bunching up in the back. As far as shedding goes, I am getting some shedding, so I'm just hoping that will kind of die down a bit, and I will update you guys in the comments, because I'm gonna wear it for a few days. I'm gonna wear it tonight. We're going out, and then I have my anniversary this weekend, and I'll be out of town, so this will probably be my go-to wig for this weekend, because it's super low maintenance. And yeah. And as far as the cap goes, it didn't have like small, medium, large. It just has a standard cap, but this cap is so comfortable. And if you guys don't know, I have a really large head, and that is one of my main problems when it comes to finding a really nice wig. I have so much space with this cap size with this wig. I could literally wear this all day long, so you won't have a problem with that. And the adjustable strap, I think it's going to be great if you have a smaller head too, because it gives you plenty of space to really customize the cap to your size. And I want to be able to always get on my channel and bring you guys like what I would spend my money on. I am a stay-at-home mom. I do not work, so I do just have my husband's income, so I don't have money to just blow. I do have a 2-year-old son as well, so I just kind of always think about, okay, Jay, what would you spend your money on? Would you spend it on that? Would you know, that kind of thing. And so I like to come on here and show you guys really nice companies, because it's so many out there. It's so many vendors out there, and sometimes you just need to be like, okay, I trust her opinion. I get what she's saying, this and that. She's not gonna BS me. With that being said, I like this hair. I would definitely spend my money on it. If you're looking for something that is going to last you, and you are maybe new to wigs, I highly recommend this hair from Eullair hair. That's really it, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, please put them down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mrsjaimarii, and don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.